G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm actually going to spray a couple of trees. We've got a few peach trees in the backyard, 2 to be exact, and we've got a apricot tree at the front, and it's a couple of weeks out of spring and we need to spray some of this Yates leaf curl. Now it's not a paid promotion, but we have to spray them once a year, or the leaves they shrivel up, they get a fungus and they shrivel up, and then the tree doesn't make any fruit. So basically I've purchased this fungicide, and inside you have a little spoon, little packet of the product, and once you open it up you use a spoon, and each spoon's about 4 or 5 grams, and there's directions on how many spoons you put per 1 litre of water. Now I've got a spraying canister here, which is 5 litres. It's about 1.3 gallons roughly. So you fill that up with water, and then you scoop in some of this fungicide, or the powder. It says active constituent copper oxychloride. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I'm not going to go into that, but anyway, you spray some of this product on the tree, and before the buds open up and flower, and it's to kill off any fungus that these trees have. And then basically when it flowers and the leaves come out, they don't shrivel up. You know, basically I'll throw in a few pictures of what they look like in the video. But this is to prevent anything like that happening. So come along with me, we'll spray a couple of trees, and I hope you enjoy the video. Take it easy. Cheers.